remaining, but they are on the basis of that concept. Okay. I already made you understand all this. Area of parallelogram is cross product of adjacent sides, and
yes, sir. You gave those formulas.
yes, you just need to use the formula.
Got it.
And again, in miscellaneous exercise, we will be revising all the things, because miscellaneous exercise is all about revising the topic.
Okay.
Right? It's, you can say, the revision exercise.
Okay.
So, first question is, write down a vector xy in xy plane making an angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis.
So making
an angle 30 degree with positive direction of x-axis. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So write down a unit vector in xy plane making an angle 30 degree with positive x-axis. So so we'll be doing question number 3 now. Question number 2 is scalar component and magnitude of the vector joining the points. So vector joining the points PQ will be taken as Q minus P or Q minus OP. Okay. And then scalar component will be x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1.
Okay.
And vector component will be ijk, means along with that we have to use I, j cap, k cap only. Okay.
Okay.
Third question.
Girl walks 4 kilometers towards west, then she walks 3 kilometers in direction east of north.
A girl walks 4 kilometers towards west. Then she walks 3 kilometers in a direction 30 degree east of north and stops. Determine the girl's displacement from her initial point of departure. Okay, let's try to make a rough sketch for the given question. A girl, suppose, starts walking from position A, okay? He reaches at this point and then walks 3 kilometers in direction 30 degree east of north. Okay, so she started her journey from this point. It reaches to this point, 4 kilometers. Magnitude is 4 kilometers. And here this is north direction. Okay, she walks 30 degree east of north. 30 degree east of north means if it is north direction, okay, downward is south direction and right hand side eastward and left hand side westward. So this is 30 degree east of north. So obviously this will be 60 degree.
Yes.
And this magnitude is 3 kilometers.
Yes, sir.
We need to find the displacement of girl from starting point to the end point. So displacement will be this will be the displacement. We take this point as B. Let us take this as origin O. Okay. Then we know that AB we need to find AB vector.
Okay.
Okay. So and we know that AB vector is what? OB vector minus OA vector.
Oh, vector. Yes, sir.
So OA vector is what? Magnitude is 4 kilometer. Take 4 outside. And what is the angle found by this vector, OA vector, with positive x-axis? What is the angle found by this vector with positive direction of x-axis? That is 0 degree angle, right?
Yes, sir.
OA is horizontal line. So a horizontal line makes 0 degree angle with horizontal axis. Horizontal axis. So cos 0 degree I cap. And any horizontal line makes 90 degree angle with y-axis,
Yes,
right?
sir.
So this will be cos 90 j cap. So finally we have 4 cos 0 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. So 4 cos 1i 1i
Yes, sir.
cap and plus 0 j cap. So finally we have 4 I cap.
Cap.
And OB vector is what? 3 kilometer is the magnitude. Take 3 outside. And the angle formed with horizontal axis is 60 degree, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
If we take this as x-axis, along x-axis, and this is along y-axis, this is origin. So with horizontal axis, it makes 60 degree angle. So cos 60 degree I cap plus, and with positive direction of y-axis, north direction, it is 30 degree. So cos 30 j cap. So this will be 3 1 over 2 I cap plus root 3 over 2 j cap.
J cap.
So this becomes 3 over 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 over 2 j cap.
J cap.
Now we need to find AB vector. That will be OB vector minus OA vector.
Sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
OB vector is what? What is OB? OB vector is 3 over 2 I cap. Yes.
Plus 3 root 3 by 2 j cap.
J cap
Minus 4 I cap.
minus 4 I cap. Yes. So this will be 3 over 2 minus 4
Yes, sir.
I cap plus 3 root 3 over 2 j cap. This will be minus 2 4 times 8 minus 3 5 minus 5 over 2 I cap plus 3 root 3 over 2
J cap.
This will be the answer
Okay.
for question number 3. And question number 4 is if vector A equals to vector B plus C, then is it true that magnitude of A equals to magnitude of B plus magnitude of C? Obviously not. Magnitude of A is what? Magnitude of B plus C.
Where no B plus C.
Together.
Yes, sir.
Okay? So it's
Yes.
not true. It's not true.
We just have to show that it's not true, right? So like just write it down and then give. Don't have to like do a proof.
You just need to explain it like this. Vector A equals to vector B plus C. If you take magnitude of on both sides, then it is B plus C magnitude. Magnitude of B plus C does not equal to magnitude of B plus magnitude of C.
Yes, sir.
B and C are different vectors. So they cannot be, this is not true. So it is not true. True that magnitude of A equals to magnitude of B plus magnitude of C. It was question number 4. Question number 5, find the value for x is a unit vector. So for unit vector of I plus j plus k, magnitude of I plus j plus k vector is what? 1 over root 3.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, root 3.
Yeah.
So value of x should be 1 over root 3 so that magnitude becomes 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And question number 6. Find a vector of magnitude 5 units and parallel to the resultant of the vector A and B. Question number 6 we are going to discuss. Question 6. Question 6 is find a vector of magnitude 5 units and parallel to the resultant vector of A and B. Vector A is given as 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. 2i cap plus 3j cap minus k cap. And vector B is given as minus I cap minus 2j cap, and is it minus I or plus I? Plus I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, plus I. Minus 2j plus k vector.
Yes, sir.
So resultant vector, resultant of the vector A and B. Okay, parallel to the resultant of vector. So resultant vector, let's say resultant vector C equals to A plus B. This will be the resultant vector.
Okay.
It will be 3i cap plus j cap and minus k plus k is 0. So 0 cap. Okay. Let's find the magnitude of it.
3 A plus.
So magnitude of C vector. Magnitude of C vector. 3 square plus 1 square. Square root. So this will be root over 10. So C cap, if we want to find the vector having magnitude 5 units, so resultant vector, so required vector with magnitude 5 units.
Yes, sir.
5 units equals to 5 times unit vector of C. So C vector is 3 over root 10 I cap plus 1 over root 10 j cap plus 0 over root 10 k cap. Okay, you just need to simplify it. This is the answer. Question number 7. A vector, B vector, and C vector are given. You need to find a unit vector parallel to the vector 2a minus b plus 3c. So I'm just giving you the hint how you need to do this sum. So in question number 7, find 2a cap minus b cap plus 3c cap first, and then divide with the magnitude. By the magnitude of it. Okay. So this will be, if you divide it by magnitude, it will be a unit vector, right? So in question 7, you have to find a unit vector parallel to the 2a minus b plus 3c. So first find 2a minus b plus 3c. How will you find? You need to multiply a vector by 2. You will subtract b,
put it b
and add 3c. That's it.
Multiply c also with 3, sir.
Yes.
Then you just
Question number 8 is, so that the points ABC are collinear, and find the ratio in which B divides AC. So for collinearity, we have been given question number 8. We have been given question number 8 is to show points A is 1 minus 2 minus 8. 1 minus 2 minus 8. B point is 5 0 minus 2. And point C 11 3 7 are collinear.
Okay.
Are collinear. And then we have to find the ratio in which B divides AC. Also, to find the ratio in which B divides AC. B divides AC. This is the question. Okay. So first of all, we will find AB vector. Okay. AB vector is B minus A, 5 minus 1, 4I cap plus 2J cap, and minus 2 plus 8 is 6 cap, 6K cap. Okay. And BC vector. BC vector is C minus B. So 11 minus 5 is 6I cap. 3 minus 0 is 3J cap. And 7 plus 2 is 9K cap.
Yes, sir. Then,
you can see that the ratio is the same.
Yep.
Okay. BC can be written as in terms of AB. We see that ratio is 4 over 6.
2 over 3.
2 over 3.
6 over 9.
6 over 9.
Yes,
They all are
yes,
equal. Okay. They are equivalent ratio. So they are collinear. And ratio is what? 2:3. What is ratio? Ratio is 2:3. Yes. Ratio is 2:3. So A, B, C are collinear.
Yeah.
And B divides AC
At 1:2. 2 is to
in
3.
ratio 2:3. This
2
one.
is to 3. Yeah.
Yes. Check your answer from backside.
But sir, we don't have to find AC
You do not need to find AC.
because we already found the ratio, so there's no need to.
Yes. Check your answer.
Checking, sir. It's not there in the old textbook, sir.
You need to look for the question.
Yes, sir, I'm looking for the question. Like they don't have that question.
No problem. This will be the answer. Let's do question number 9. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining 2 points PQ internally in the ratio 1:2 so that P is the midpoint of RQ.
Oh, wait, sir, I found the question. 2 is to 3 is the correct answer, sir.
Yes, that will be there. That's no issue. Either you check or not, answer would be correct. Provided any calculation error has not been there.
No.
Okay. Question number 9. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining PQ whose position vectors are given. So basically, in question number 9, position vector of P and Q are given.
Yes, sir.
Position vector of P and Q are given.
They gave the ratios also.
The position vector of P is
2A
plus B. Yes, 2A vector plus B. And position vector of Q is
A vector plus minus 3B.
and
Externally in the ratio 1:2.
yes, externally in the ratio 1:2. So we take Q over here. One is to 2. Okay.
The Q will be on.
Q is vector Q is A minus 3B. A vector minus 3B vector.
Yeah.
Let us suppose this point is R. Okay. And it divides in the ratio 1:2 externally. So section formula we will apply section formula for external section. Okay. Applying section formula. What is that? MB vector minus NA vector upon M minus N for external section. And here we are dealing with external section only. Yes. So this will be 1 into A minus 3B minus 2 into 2a plus b divided by 1 minus 2. This will be the position vector of R. So this will be a vector minus 3b vector minus 4a vector minus 2b vector
Yes.
upon minus 1. That becomes negative 3a vector, and we have 3b minus 3b and 2b minus 5b vector divided by minus 1 will become 3a plus 5b. Is it? Because negative sign will be cancelled out. We will take negative sign common in the numerator, and that will be cancelled out. That will become positive.
Positive.
Yes. So now we have one more extended question in this extended part of this question, that we find the unit vector. Okay. Also, so that P is the midpoint of line segment RQ.
So they give you another part of the midpoint.
Yes. We have to show that P is the midpoint of QR. In fact, RQ. In fact, this section is not like this that we have drawn in the above. In fact, it is like this. P is somewhere in the middle. Okay, P is somewhere in the middle, and this is RQ.
Okay. Got it, sir.
So we see that OP vector is OR vector plus OQ vector divided by 2. So OR vector plus OQ vector divided by 2 is what? It's OP. You need to check out this one. OQ vector is this one, and OR vector is this one. Okay. So OQ plus OR, A minus 3B plus 3A plus 5B. A minus 3B plus 5A plus 3A plus 5B. Yes, 3A plus 5B. 3A vector plus 5B vector divided by 2. So that becomes 4A vector plus 2B vector divided by 2. So if we take 2 common in the numerator, we get A plus 2A plus B divided by 2. So finally we get 2A plus B. And what about OP vector? It was 2A plus B only, isn't it?
Yes.
So this is equals to OP vector. Therefore, P is midpoint of RQ. My question number 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Mark these questions as important questions, right? Question number 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Okay, sir.
Question number 10. The two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given. Find the unit vector parallel to its diagonal.
Parallel to the diagonal.
The two adjacent sides of a parallelogram are given. Let us suppose this is 2I cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap. And BC side is I minus 2j minus 3k. I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. So this will be the resultant vector. AC will be the resultant vector, and that is by the parallelogram law or triangle law, we can see that this will be vector AB plus vector BC. This will be the resultant vector. Previously also we did the same thing when we had to find the resultant vector in question number which one? Resultant vector and a vector magnitude. Yes, in question number 6 we did that. If we have to find a resultant vector of two given vectors, then we simply add them with the and that comes with the parallelogram law or triangle law of addition. That is called triangle law of addition. AB vector plus BC vector will be AC vector. Okay, so resultant vector, diagonal AC vector will be AB plus BC, that is 2I cap minus 4j cap plus 5k cap plus I cap minus 2j cap minus 3k cap. Add them. So 2 plus 1, 3I cap minus 4 minus 2 minus 6j cap and 5 minus 3, 2k cap. This will be the resultant vector, diagonal vector. And we need to find the unit vector parallel to diagonal. So we will find AC cap equals to AC vector divided by magnitude of it. So magnitude of AC will be 3 square plus minus 6 square plus 2 square. And that will be 9 plus 36 plus 4. 49, and this is 7 units. That will be the answer. Oh, okay, no, we have to divide by 7 units. Okay, so AC cap will be 3 over 7 I cap minus 6 over 7 J cap plus 2 over 7 K cap. This one will be the answer. Now, question number 11. So that the direction cosine of a vector equally inclined with x, y, and z axis. Equally inclined with axis. So, what does it mean? It means direction cosines are equal.
Okay.
Cos alpha equals to cos beta equals to cos gamma. And we know that, and that is suppose we have L. Okay. We know that L square plus M square plus N square equals to 1. That is cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equals to 1. We already discussed all these things, but you need to do your work on regular basis, otherwise you will miss the topic. Okay. After completing the chapters, you have to revise it again. So make sure you do your work on regular basis, and you need to really work hard.
Yes, sir.
So since L, M, and all are equal, so L square plus L square plus L square equals to 1. 3L square equals to 1. Okay. So
Yes,
L square equals to 1 over 3. So L equals to plus minus 1 over root 3. Okay. And therefore, direction cosines DCs are plus minus 1 over root 3, plus minus 1 over root 3, and plus minus 1 over root 3. Root. Question number 12 is the most important part because it's been asked, and it has been asked in several public schools as well this year. So most probably this question should come. I'll just make you understand how will you be doing this question, and then you will be doing yourself and send it to me. Okay.
Okay.
Question 12 is, let, I just write down the question, let A vector equals to I plus 4j plus 2k, B vector equals to 3i minus 2j plus 7k vector,
Yes.
7k cap, and C vector equals to 2i cap minus j cap plus 4k cap. We need to find a vector D which is perpendicular to both vector A and vector B,
Yes, sir.
and C dot D equals to 15. This is the question.
Okay.
I give you the roadmap how you will do this question, and then you have to do yourself. Okay.
Got it, sir.
We know that any vector perpendicular to two given vectors equals to cross product of the two given vectors. So how will you find D vector? D is perpendicular to both A and B. So D vector will be A cross B. It should give you the answer. But since here one more information has been given, C dot D equals to 15. That means it requires more specific answer from you. Getting me?
Okay.
So more particular, a particular vector which is perpendicular to both A and B.
Yeah.
So it is talking about more particular vector. Okay.
Right.
So what we will do, we will take any constant or lambda. Let us suppose we have taken lambda times A cross B. Okay. We will get a vector. We will get a vector. Suppose we have got a vector D. Okay. And then C dot D 15. C is given. Then we have to take the dot product. Okay. And this dot product will give you the value of lambda and put the value of lambda for in this equation. Okay. So D equals to lambda times A cross B. This will be the answer. And I note down the time. It's 49:12. Okay. Why I write down time over here? So that if you go through the video lecture once again, and you can understand that after this.
Yes,
Yeah. So now do the question and send it to.
Doing so.
David, you need to do fast. If you need a break of 5 minutes, you need to do your work really fast.
Yes, sir.
Then you can get a break of 5 minutes only. But make sure you join on time.
Yes, sir. Sorry, I was trying to join, but it's not coming, so that is my fault.
David, you
Yes, sir.
took almost 10 minutes have already,
Oh,
okay.
I'm getting
So
stuck, sir. So just it's taking more
such
time.
question does not require more than 2-3 minutes.
Oh, sorry, sir.
And this is after I gave you the roadmap, how will you be doing and all. Okay. So
Yes,
you
sir.
need to really work hard. You must understand the gravity of the situation. Getting me?
Yes, sir, I am.
You need to work hard at home. And you must have none till date that I am giving you the best. You can compare from all over the teachers from all over India.
Yes, sir.
And that is why I have once, it's been, means you can say, once I have taught any student, I get reference from all over the world, their cousins and relatives live outside India. I have many students from abroad, around 10 countries, in fact, South Africa, UK, US, Dubai, and they give because they all are from my students who I taught previously. So do your work
Yes, sir.
as soon as it is possible.
Mm.
David, what happened? You almost took 13, 15 minutes.
Sir,
15 minutes.
I'm not really getting it, sir, for some reason. Every time I do it, I feel like I'm doing something wrong.
That you need to take care of now,
Yes, sir.
because silly error is something where you can only control. I can
Yes.
just suggest that check your steps Do it carefully, nothing else.
So could you explain the roadmap once again, please?
You have to take the cross product of A and B. That will be the means if a vector is perpendicular to two given vectors, D is perpendicular to A as well as B, then D will be equal to A cross B. Here we have taken lambda A cross B. Lambda is constant. You can take anything, K, mu, anything. And then use dot product C dot D 15. So that, okay, I just make you understand now. It's 1, 0, 4 and 49, 54, 55. Okay. 105, 105. Okay. I just make you understand this question. So D vector will be lambda times A cross B. Can you tell me how do we find cross product of two vectors?
You take I cap, J cap, K cap, then you have 1, 4, 2, and then
Yes, I, J, K.
Then 1, 4, 2, then 3, 2, 7, minus 2, 7.
Yes.
Then you do the cross product of it.
Yes, just a minute.
Over here, I kept on getting, I felt like I kept on getting mistakes. So I kept on redoing it. So I don't know why. Every time it felt like it's wrong.
1, 4, 2 and
3 minus 2, 7.
Yes, 3 minus 2, 7. This will be lambda times and take I cap. So if you take I cap, then 4, 7 times 28 plus 4, 32 I cap.
Yes, sir.
And if you take J cap, then you have 6 minus 7 minus J cap, then 7 minus 6. That is minus 1 J cap, minus J cap.
Oh.
And if you take K cap, then you have 1 times minus 2 and minus 12 minus 14 K cap. As simple as that. And you will see that it will
did that wrong, sir. I did that wrong.
You will that means you need to control on error.
Yes, sir.
It will take only 2 minutes or less to do this question. C dot D equals to 15. C is what? Vector C is
2I cap minus J cap.
2I cap minus J cap.
Plus 4K cap.
2 minus 1, 4. 2I cap minus 1J cap plus 4K cap. Is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And D vector is lambda times 32I cap minus J cap minus 14K cap. And this is equals to 15. So 2 into 32 lambda, 64 lambda, and minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, and 4 into minus 14, minus 56 equals to 15. Okay, minus 1 into minus 1, plus 1, so plus lambda, and minus 56 lambda, because lambda is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 65 minus 56 lambda is 9 lambda equals to 15. Lambda equals to 15 over 9. That comes to 5 over 3. And put 5 over 3 to find vector D. That's it. So it took only 2 minutes to do.
Yes, sir. I read it. I didn't get it properly, sir, at all while doing it.
So 5 over 3, D vector is 5 over 3 times 32I cap minus 5 over 3 J cap minus 5 over 3 times 14 K cap. So this will be take 1 over 3 outside, 160 I cap minus 5j cap minus 70k cap. That's it. This is the answer. So how much time it took? Less than 3 minutes.
Yes, sir.
And in 3 minutes, I made you understand as well. So if you, as a student, if you do this question with proper concept and you do not make any error, it will take less than 2 minutes,
Yes,
not more than that.
I was making too many errors, sir. That is.
Question number 13, we are going to discuss now. Question number 13. Okay, I need to bring, this is the drawback of Zoom. We cannot copy the whole thing. Okay, I need to bring my mobile first. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That is the drawback of Zoom meeting, because you cannot copy the whole thing.
Yes, sir.
You can only copy the text. While in mathematics, you need to copy the symbols and other things as well. Okay, question number 13, the scalar product of vectors I plus j plus k. Question number 13. The scalar product of the vectors I plus j plus k with a unit vector along the sum of two vectors is equal to 1. What does it say? Scalar product. The scalar product.
I cap plus j cap.
Yes, just a minute. Just a minute. I plus j plus k with a unit vector. With a unit vector
along the sum of the vectors 2 I cap plus 4 cap minus 5 cap. And lambda I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3k cap is equal to 1.
Yes, 2I cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap. Yes. And
lambda I cap plus 2 cap 2 plus 2 j cap I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3
2j
k cap
okay
equal
is
to
equal
1.
to 1. Yes, is equal to and you need to find value of lambda. Find the value of lambda.
And
This is the question. This question again is very important for board point of view. The scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k, I cap plus j cap plus k cap with a unit vector along the sum of vectors 2i plus 4j minus 5k and lambda
yes, sir.
I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap is equal to 1. So unit vector along the sum of these two vectors. First we will pick the line, okay, from here. We will pick line from here. I'm just marking it. Scalar product with a unit vector along the sum of the vectors 2i minus 5j plus k, 4j plus minus 5k and lambda times I plus 2j plus 3k. So first we will find this sum
Okay.
and it is unit vector. So what we have to do after
Equal to
getting the
1.
sum of these two vectors, we have to divide it by magnitude.
Yes, sir.
So we have the sum of two given vectors. The sum of two given vectors equals to 2i cap plus 4j cap minus 5k cap
Yeah.
plus lambda times I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this will be 2 plus lambda I cap plus 4 plus 2 lambda j cap
Yeah.
and plus 3 lambda minus 5 k cap. Okay, 3 lambda minus 5 k cap. Scalar product of unit vector. So now we need to, let's say this vector is a vector. Okay,
Yeah.
and unit vector will be what? A vector divided by magnitude of a vector. So magnitude of A will be 2 plus lambda whole square plus 4 plus 2 lambda whole square plus 3 lambda minus 5 square.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and square root. So this will be lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 4 a square plus 2ab plus b square. And again here we have 4 lambda square
Yeah.
2i plus 4j minus 5k, yes, 2 plus. Here we have mistaken It was only lambda I cap. It was
Not
only
the whole thing.
lambda
Yes,
I
sir.
cap.
Very
This
very
one,
lambda.
yes.
Yes.
We have mistaken. Okay, it was only lambda I cap
Okay, so that the entire thing was wrong.
plus lambda I cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. So it is 2 plus lambda I cap. Okay.
Yeah.
And plus 6j cap. 4 plus 2, 6j cap.
Yes, sir.
And minus 5 plus 3, minus 2k cap. Now magnitude of A will be 2 plus lambda square plus 6 square plus minus 2 square. So this will become lambda square plus 4 lambda A square plus 2ab plus b square and plus 4 plus 6 square is 36 and minus 2 square is 4. So this becomes lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 square root of this.
Yes, sir.
So now
Divided.
we need to find the value of lambda, the scalar product of the vector I plus j plus k. So let us suppose it's b vector. B vector is I plus j plus k vector. We need to find the scalar product. Scalar product means dot product.
Yep.
So we have A dot B. A is what? Okay, we did not divide it. We need to divide as well. Okay, we need to find A. We need to find A cap dot B. Unit vector of A.
A cap dot.
Yes. So we need to divide
Divide.
A vector. Yes, A vector is what? 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap divided by square root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. And A dot B will be 2 plus lambda I cap, 2 plus lambda I cap plus 6j cap minus 2k cap, 6j cap minus 2k cap divided by lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 square root. And dot product with B vector. B vector is I plus j plus k. And this is equals to 1. This is equals to 1 as per question. So this we can cross multiply. We can send this term the denominator in the right hand side. So we have 2 plus lambda into 1 scalar product. 2 plus lambda into 1 plus 6 into 1 minus 2 into 1 equals to square root of lambda square 4 lambda plus 44.
Yeah.
And this will be 2 plus lambda plus 4 equals to lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44 square root of this. So lambda plus 6 equals to square root of lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. Squaring both sides. This will be again, this will be expanded as a plus b whole square. So lambda square plus 12 lambda
Okay.
plus 36 lambda square plus 4 lambda plus 44. So this lambda square will be cancelled out,
Then you bring
and we have 12 lambda minus 4 lambda equals to 44 minus 36.
yes, sir.
So 8 lambda equals to 8. So lambda equals to 1. This is the answer.
Okay. Yep.
We need to find the value of lambda. You can do this in one step as well. You need to add two vectors, okay, and then take the dot product. This is the means you can do just one step, and then you can simplify.
Got it.
So major step is this only.
Okay. Yes, sir. So A cap into B.
Yes. A cap into B. Unit vector of it. Now coming to question number
14.
14. See, in question number 14, there is printing error.
Okay.
This C dot D equals to 15 has been taken from question number 12. It has been wrongly copied over here.
Oh,
In place of that, there will be vector A plus vector B plus vector C. If you have old book, then you can find there, it will be A plus. Old book means not previous years,
yes, sir.
2-3 years back. Okay.
Okay.
So in place of C dot D, it is A plus B plus C.
Okay, sir.
So I just make you understand how to do this sum. Question number 13. 14. Question 14. If ABC are mutually perpendicular vectors. Mutually perpendicular means if A, not A cap, A vector, B vector and C vector are mutually perpendicular vectors. Mutually perpendicular vectors of equal magnitude, of
Equal magnitude.
equal magnitudes. Prove that A plus B plus C is vectors is equal, A plus B plus C is equally inclined with vector A, vector B and vector C. This is the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Again, I'll give you 3 minutes time. I'll make you understand how to do. See, first line is ABC are mutually perpendicular. What does it mean? It means A dot B equals to B dot C equals to C dot A equals to 0. If two vectors are perpendicular to each other, then their dot product is 0. And they have equal magnitudes, means you have been given magnitude of A equals to magnitude of B equals to magnitude of C.
C.
Yes. You have to take the dot product and you need to prove that they are equally inclined. So equally inclined, if two vectors are, if we need to find the cosine of angle of two vectors, then cos theta So let us take cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma. 3 angles. Okay, cos alpha with a vector. So a dot a plus b plus c divided by magnitude of a and magnitude of a plus b plus c.
Yeah.
So this will be a dot a plus a dot b plus a dot c divided by magnitude of a plus b plus c. See, a dot b and a dot c is 0. It's been given. Here a dot b and
A
b
dot
dot c,
C.
c dot a, these are 0 because they are perpendicular. And
Yeah.
a dot a is what? A dot a is magnitude of a square. And this is magnitude of a plus b plus c. This will be cancelled out. Magnitude of a
Plus B
plus b plus c.
So that's what
Similarly, cos beta will be with b vector. It will be b vector, magnitude of b vector upon magnitude of a plus b plus c. Cos gamma will be magnitude of c upon magnitude of a plus b plus c. But one more thing we have been given. What? Magnitude of a, b, c are equal.
equal.
Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So magnitude of a, b, c are equal. That means this a, this b and this c are equal.
Equal.
And in the denominator, it is always, it is, we can see
Same.
that in the denominator, there is same thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That means this cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma are equal. Okay. So we will write since vector A, vector B, magnitude of C are equal, therefore cos alpha, cos beta equals to cos gamma, which means alpha equals to beta equals to gamma.
Gamma.
So they are equally inclined. Equally inclined means angle between them are equal.
Equal.
Equally
Inclined.
inclined to each other.
Okay.
So go through the whole question, whole solution once again. Read it. If you a plus b magnitude square equals to a plus b dot a plus b. I already made you understand previously also. And in the last question also, a dot a is what? A dot a is magnitude of a square. Okay? Yes. A dot a is magnitude of a square. So a plus b, magnitude of a plus b whole square is a plus b dot a plus b.
Yep.
So this will be a square plus b square plus 2 times a dot b. Okay? We did it earlier. Here it is. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The
Yes,
same thing. The same thing. Right?
but
So this will be magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus 2 times magnitude of a magnitude of b cos theta. Because a dot b is magnitude of a magnitude of b cos theta. We discussed earlier
yes, sir.
and in the beginning when we were discussing the concept. So magnitude of a and magnitude of b is given as 1.
Yep.
How we came to know? It's given, let a and b two unit vectors. Unit vectors means magnitude 1. So we have and this is 1 also. 2 plus 2 cos theta. So 1 minus 2 equals to 2 cos theta. So we have 2 cos theta equals to minus 1 and cos theta equals to
minus 1 by
negative
2.
1 over 2, and this is cos 2 pi over 3, 120 degree.
Yep, sir.
So theta equals to
D 2 pi by 3.
yes, B part, D part.
D part. Yes, sir.
Okay, John's. Question number 18.
The value of I cap into J cap, I dot J cap into K cap plus J dot I cap into K cap plus
Yes,
K dot I cap into J cap.
yes. So how will you do? See, we have I dot J cross K. J cross K is J cross K is I cap. K cross I is J cap. I cross J is K cap. And if we change the order, then negative sign will be there. If we change the order, then negative sign will be there. We discussed it as well.
Yes.
So I cap dot product with J cross K. J cross K
Yeah.
and plus J dot I cross K and plus K dot I cross J. We just need to use the value I dot J cross K is I. J dot I cross K. What will be I cross K? Debit.
J cap.
No, minus J cap.
How
I
minus?
told you if we
Oh,
change the
to
order,
change the order will be minus. Yeah. Okay.
yes. So
So I have to be
minus
careful of that.
J cap plus K dot I J K I cross J
Is
K
K
cap.
cap.
Yes. I dot I is 1.
Uh,
1. J cross J dot J minus 1 because minus J is
minus.
there.
Yeah.
Minus 1. And
So
K dot K 1. So answer is
1.
19. We discussed all questions. So you need to do all these questions once again.
Got it, sir.
Theta is the angle between two vectors A and B.
Then A
Magnitude of A dot B,
equals to
actually
magnitude of
modulus,
A.
equals to A cross B.
Yes, sir.
Then theta equals to. Okay. So A dot B is what? Magnitude of A and magnitude of B. AB cos theta. Okay. AB
Cos
cos
theta.
theta. And this is AB sin theta. What does it mean? It means cos theta equals to sin theta.
Theta.
When it is possible, it is only possible when theta is pi by 4. So do one thing, divide both sides by cos theta.
Cos theta.
Dividing both sides by cos theta, yes.
So cos sine by theta. Okay, yeah. So we get AB equals to pi by 4 cos sine by
So cos theta equals to sin theta. Divide both sides by cos theta. So 1 equals to tan theta. So theta equals tan theta equals to 1.
1
So theta equals to pi by 4.
pi by
This is
4.
10 pi by 4.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, got it.
So 150 ended with
Yes, sir.
150.
Okay.
So we completed this chapter. This chapter was a little bit, we had 5 exercises in fact.
Yes,
So
sir.
it took almost 2 days,
Yeah.
and so you need to complete all those things that we have done so far. And don't worry, we are, you know, however, we are discussing all the questions
Mm.
despite the fact that we have very less time.
Yes, sir.
Still we are in a good pace without in a hurry. It's not
Yeah.
like that we are just jumping and jumping and jumping. We are doing in a normal pace, but we'll be complete on time. But you need to do your work at home. You
Yeah, yes, sir.
really need to work hard at home. Okay. So do all the questions, and before the class, please send the PDF so that I can check your work, and whatever doubts come across to you, I can make you understand. And
Can you
prepare
send
for the
the?
test as well.
Yes, sir. Got it. So can you send the whiteboard to me?
Yes, yes, sure. Just a
So,
minute. Just a minute. However, you have option to download it from your side as well.
I can
Okay.
only download one whiteboard at a time, so I can't download all of them at the same time.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Mm.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Just a minute. I am sending you on chat option.
Okay.
Download right now.
I'll do that, sir.
Okay. 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 Just a minute. Just a minute. David. I sent you on. It's not copied. Just a minute. I think it's been copied. Yeah, I sent you on WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
I sent you on WhatsApp.
Um, I didn't get anything yet, sir. I got it, sir. Yes,
Okay.
I got it both, sir.
So today's session we end over here without break. Okay. Next time I'll give you break for 5 minutes. I understand complete 2 hours at one go becomes very difficult for the student.
Yes.
We are habituate people. Again, I have class at 11 a.m. To just 2-3 minutes after I have one more class, and then again at 12 p.m. I have one more class, 1 hour's gap. Then again from 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. I have a means continuous basis. We have neck to neck class. So we are habituated, but as a student, I understand that it's difficult for you to hold yourself
Yes.
2 hours. Okay. Thank you for being with me. Take care. Bye.